What's it like to come on a 2-day coaching workshop in Dorset? Well, I thought the best people to explain what it's like is people that have already done it. So check out what these guys have to say.
I feel like lighter, freer, more excited. I've had lots of light bulb moments.
And I really have transformed the way I think about the challenges that I came with.
Basically, allowing yourself to be you.
I feel quite invigorated and excited.
A new way of looking at my life.
I've got peace, I've got calm, and I'm free of worries. Fantastic feeling.
It's opened up, quite a few things in my personal life and business.
Even after day one, I've got a clearer idea of where I need to head with my life.
So now you've heard from participants that have already completed a 2-day workshop with me, you get a sense of what it's like. You come in and I'm going to share with you the most life-changing things that have made a difference in my life and the 6,000 clients I've worked with over the 20 years of studying human potential and performance. I'm really obsessed with well-being and performance, and I just want to share with you the things that I've learned that really make a difference. So if you feel stuck, if you feel like you want to work on your well-being, your productivity, your performance, your relationships, your level of joy and happiness that you experience in life, come in and I know that you'll get a lot from this. You can interact as much or as little as you like. You can ask questions, and any place that is looking sticky or complicated for you, I will help you have more ease, more freedom and more joy. So any questions, let me know, but I'd love to see you there.